Yes, it's Julius again. This is Julius Etas again. I've come back to the first bridge that I was doing before. I finished the first casting. You can see the first beam there. Finish that, and they have to call me back to come and fix this place. So I just stockpile the stand here and carry my caterpillar up. You can see it up there. Excavator 330D. So now you can see I'm about to do casting tomorrow again. The kind of casting. You can see everything will be set. Everything will be set. We are here to work. Men and women, look at the workers, the chief constructor people, construction people like the strong operator and the chief carpenter himself. They are laughing. Look at them. Look at. Can't you just say hi to your fans? You are here passing by. Huh? Mm-hmm. So tomorrow we have to do casting, and that's our crane. This is another excavator 320, 320. That was the operator, 320. Why this is my own? This is a 320. Why this is my own? 330. The bigger one. The bigger one. And you can see, experience matters. Experience matters. I have to dig, pack sharp sand to suspend myself up on the ground. You can see my track is not on the floor. You can see very high, very high, very high. 330 DL. So work is what we do. We don't fear work. They are finding a place to. I've removed their road. They are looking for a place to climb up. There's no more room for them. You can see. I removed their road. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Yeah, this is beautiful. Work is good. Men at work. Construction of bridge. Men at work. Men at work. Construction of bridge. And you can see the water running. We stop this water. We suspend the water. It was big. Here is at Oruwanam local government. Ikodokoro. Here, Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. We construct bridge. That is the first. This is the first beam. The first beams. Why this is the second one? And after this one, I put iron already. CMC iron. CMC iron. You can see very big irons. Very big irons. Men at work. Road construction. You can see all the irons for work. Men at work. Constructing. This is the shift iron bender. The shift iron bender. Well done, sir. The work is in progress. They are working. You can see he's doing his best. He's a very hard-working man. He has been working from the beginning, from the morning, since morning till now, and he has no rest. Has not tired. He has been working seriously. This is the work. Men at work. You can see irons, bendy base, and everything. You can see my people there. They are relaxing on break. Good. The work is going, and it's moving forward gradually. Moving gradually. Yes. In case you want to see, who's talking, I'm Julius Etas. I'm Julius Etas. Video me. Video. Funny.
Chicken.
Yeah, you can see me. I'm Julius Etas, the one operating the excavator. So work is what we do. We work 24 hours and no joking. We don't rest. We work and work and work and work. Constructing bridge. Yes, Amitek Construction Company. Here we go. Don't go there. Work is our calling. Thank you. Thank you very much. Why are you smiling at me? And I'm doing work, you're smiling. The work is sweet. Don't go there. Don't go there. Don't go there.